Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to automate Facebook Messenger for businesses. First, open up Meta Business Suite. You can access it directly from your Facebook page. Open your Facebook business page, and on the left side, you should see Meta Business Suite. Click on it. Alternatively, you can use the business.facebook.com link to access Meta Business Suite. Once you are in Meta Business Suite, select the Facebook page where you want to set up automated responses. Then click on Inbox on the left side. Here you can manage all your Facebook messages, comments, and Instagram messages and comments. To set up automated responses, click on Automation. Here you can set up automated responses for your Facebook page. You can create new automation or use pre-made instant replies and other automation provided by Facebook. Let us say you want to set up an instant reply. Click on Instant Reply, then turn it on. Select the channel where you want this automation to run, either Facebook Messenger or Instagram. Make sure your Instagram account is connected to your Facebook business page in Meta Business Suite. An instant reply will automatically respond to the first message someone sends you on Messenger or Instagram. You can customize the message to provide more information and let them know when to expect a response. For example, you can say, "Hi, thanks for contacting us. We have received your message and will reply within 24 hours. You can personalize the message and add emojis. Once you have customized the message, save the changes and make sure to turn on the instant reply. Now, whenever someone sends you a message on Facebook Messenger, your page will automatically reply with this message. Reply with this message. This lets customers know you are active and assures them that you will respond within a day. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.